Okay, this is sort of a qualifier, and this goes back to when I was a child. I'm not here to win a popularity contest. And how that relates to nuclear reaction states between one system and another system, a fallen system and an eternal life system. Okay? And so you see why in their system, the 6/6 and 2/3, the Metatronic system, the more that it's learning about you by what you like and what you don't like, which means it's learning a lot about us. The endocrine system, which is our nuclear reaction states in a polarized state of equal sharing. Experiencing being 1, experiencing being 12, the 13th mother arc, the exact center point of the silver and gold mated Riche. And how this relates to interference patterns, signal interference patterns, water off a duct, bounce it back, return to sender. That's not me. That's a false light transmission. That's called knowing one from the other. Yeah. So I've been dealing with this since I was a little boy as a result of why I'm here. The inner crystal rainbow, the auroras, the pink crystal wave, the Rosetta, the 4 square crystal cathedral. So what that means is, and I've known this my whole life, if I'm experiencing something at the completion of a circuit, then it means that I was supposed to experience that for the reason that I'm experiencing it at the moment in which that circuit opens and closes. The speed at which integrated circuits, as an integrated system, is experiencing being 1, which is equal sharing. The silver and gold mated 1. Which means there's no coincidence what I experience when I experience in order to become aware of it. Now we're at levels of awareness. Now we're at levels of communication between cells as it relates to what? Codes. What I've always called is the codes that were held captive to. The Metatronic codes. The Metatronic seed atom. Trying to write itself into your DNA. And that's why the shields being up is so important. It's restoring full electrical power, which is equal power sharing. And how that relates to a delay, a tape delay. Between 222 and 333. They're not the same and they're not compatible. That's their false light vacuum, which is a false light transmission. So when I put videos up, it means when there's no coincidences, there's no mathematical coincidences when it comes to a mathematical function and you experience what I communicate, it means that you were meant to experience that for the reason and the time at which you do. If it wasn't meant for you to experience it, would you experience that? Now we're back to when I was a little child. I'm not supposed to experience anything less than what I am because I am what love is. Then it could mean that the transmission was not meant for you. Only you know for sure.